Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. So one of the biggest mistakes that most traders make is trying to be right on every single trade. They're trying to make money on every single trade. And every single trade is completely opposite. It is completely different to the next trade, right? Now, what is the number one thing that we all know to be true in the markets? Every single trading system, right? Trading system has what? Has a success rate. Now, that's the foundations, right, to any trading system that has a success rate. This one has a 60% success rate. My system has a 90+% success rate. But even with my system that has a 90+% success rate, where most of the trades generate a profit, how do I know the success rate here? See, what most traders do is that this number one trade, this one trader here, they take that because they think it's the bottom, that's at support. Number two trade, they think it's at resistance. Number three trade, they're doing it because it's a breakthrough, you know what I mean? It's a breakthrough, it's breaking through resistance. Number four trade is because Donald Trump said so. See how that there's no congruency, there's no consistency here. And if you want consistency in your own trading, then your foundation to your trading, your foundation to understanding, foundation to trading is actually stopping yourself from getting in and getting out of these trades that have no consistency there. Remember, the number one thing to success in the markets is understanding that your trading system has a success rate. And how do you actually get the success rate? If my system has a 90% success rate, how do I know the success rate there? Well, guess what? It's not over one trade, right? No, it's more like if I take 10 trades in a row, call that 10 trades. I don't know what's that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, whatever. You know what I mean? Call it 10 or even 20 trades in a row, right? 20 trades of the exact same pattern. That's how you then see your what? Your success rate. But you don't see your success rate from like this over here, right? Like every single trade is based on something completely different. There's no consistency, and when there's no consistency of taking the exact same setup again and again and again, there is no success rate, right? Because you're getting in this trade here is this trade here is based on this, and this trade here is based on that, and this trade here. The most successful traders right now know exactly what they're looking for on the charts, and that's how, and they stick to that only. And then after say 10, 20 trades of sticking to that religiously, that's how they get their success rate. Even if it's a 70% success rate, they'll be able to say, okay, this trade here was a win. 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 Oh, look at loss. Okay, win, loss, win. Oh, okay, cool. Oh, that gave me an 80% win-loss ratio. But just because you have most people like, most people like, you know, most people when they're trading, right, they think, oh, I had a losing trade, I was wrong. I had a losing trade, I was wrong. No, I had a losing trade, I was wrong. Oh, look, I had a winning trade, I'm right. No, it's not about being right or wrong with the markets. Forget your ego, throw that shit out the window. If you want to be long-term success in the markets, it's all about sticking to one trading setup. One trading setup, call it bull flags, berry flags, whatever. And if you are not building that foundation of staying consistent on the exact same setup or the exact same type of rules again and again and again and again and again, then you are killing your chances, because most people are trying to make money on every single trade that they take, but it's not the way successful trading is. Oh, I had a losing trade, I'm wrong, gonna kick myself in the ass. I had a winning trade, oh, you know what I mean? And it's like no, you can't be doing that, right? So even when I have a losing trade, it's not like I get upset about it. And when I have a profit trade, it's like, thank you very much, move on to the next one. Makes sense? So if you want any success rate in the markets, now a trading setup could be anything, right? Log into my Master Trader Lab, you get a free trial to that, and you'll start to see what I mean by a trading setup. Call it the blast off system, or even the ultimate trading system I got in there. It's a setup. Now, what is the number one thing to your success in the markets? If you want consistent results long term, you must be consistent. Consistent at taking the exact same setup again and again and again, and not because someone said that Bitcoin's gonna go through the roof, or silver's gonna go through the roof, or this is gonna happen and this is gonna happen, blah 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 blah. No, all that shit does not matter if it does not meet your trading system rules that you have identified and that you've worked on. Then you do not do jack shit. I don't care if Donald Trump comes out and says that oil is expensive, like someone did just recently, and they shorted it just because Donald Trump says. No. You're spinning your wheels and spinning your wheels and spinning your wheels and spinning your wheels. And people say like, John, how do I get a trading system? Get into the Master Trader Lab. It's a free trial and it's $6 per month. And you start to see that there. Makes sense? And that's how you go there. And now obviously my number one trading system I only give to my private clients, but that Master Trader Lab is to get you started and what I'm talking about here. And as you can see, right, that 80% or 90% of your success comes from this number one thing here of how consistent you are at sticking at the exact same trading rules again and again and again and again, long term. Because I guarantee you, I guarantee you that, let's just go new here. Bam. Oh crap, what happened there? All right, let's do this here, right? Oh, anyway, so I guarantee you, if you take say me as an example, trader A over here, he's getting in, getting out, trade here, trade. Donald Trump said this newsletter said this, John House said this, Peter Schiff said this, Bo Polly said this, blah 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 blah, right? And you're all over the place. Trader A is doing that. Guess what's gonna happen at the end of 12 months? Your account is what? Bum bum. It's completely blown up. Trader B, call me, right? Let's say I'm only taking, I don't know, let's say I'm only taking four trades per month on average. Some months there's no trades, some months there's 10 trades, right? 4 trades a month, but I know by sticking to the rules, I'm gonna get a 90% success rate. Who's gonna be much more profitable at the end of 12 months? Me, right? At the end of the day. Why? Because I am consistent. I am consistent at sticking to my number one trading system. You either need to develop that or you need to invest in some of that. And that's what you need to do. It's not the market. It's not that the market's rigged or all this type of bullshit. No, take bloody responsibility for your own actions and start to learn. It's like, okay, you know what? If you want to be a trader, your job as a trader is to be consistent at taking one setup or even 2 setups if you want, and only taking that and not based on what you think, hope or fear is going to happen. Make sure you head on down to mastertraderlab.com to grab your free trial to the complete Master Trader Lab. Now in the Master Trader Lab, you're going to get the complete grab the markets by the balls trading course. This is 12 videos long, chart reading, foundations. We've got 2 amazing trading systems in there and so much more. You're also going to get bonuses as well too. That's a framework to a successful trader. This is a complete trading course here. Also, you're going to get the chart reading mastery course and also the chart reading advanced mastery course, and also you're going to get the millionaire bonus mindset course. This is actually my 7-figure mentor. There's 8 videos here teach you all about the mindset. Plus also there's a massive bonus package there, interviews and so much more in the Master Trader Lab, and I'm giving you a free trial to that right now. So head on down to mastertraderlab.com to grab your free trial right now.